Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a Linux troubleshooting task. Postfix service is failing. First step is to access the server. I'm SSH into the mail server. Once we're in, I'm going to switch to the root user using sudo -. We have full permissions to manage system services and edit configuration files. The task says the service is failing, but let's verify that. I'll try to restart the service. And there it is, it failed. Linux is helpful, though. It tells us exactly where to look for details. So, let's run journalctl to inspect the logs and find out why it's crashing. Okay, reading through the logs, right here is our problem. It looks like there is a configuration error related to inet interface line. It seems like it's being overridden, or there is a conflict in the configuration file causing the binding to fail. Now that we know the culprit is the config file, let's edit it using vi. I'm searching for the inet interfaces line. Here we go. I can see this line is setting the interface strictly to localhost, which is causing the conflict. To fix this, I'm simply trying to comment this line out and check the service again. Let's try to restart the service again. Great. No error messages this time, but we always verify. Let's run Systemctl status postfix. And there we go. It is active, enabled, and running perfectly. The mail server is back online. I'll head back to the dashboard and hit check to confirm. And the task is complete. That was a quick fix on a postfix configuration error. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more KodeKloud Linux Level-2 task series. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.